so Christmas in May.
Christmas in May.
All right, so before we open everything up, we'll just say what the boxes are. I think headers, radiator, fan shroud, TV cable,
Kick down cable, yeah.
and bolts for the
Cross member
belly bar.
Belly bar.
This box already tried to open itself, so
Oh, they're begging to get out.
begging to get out.
Screaming. These are, oh, we don't have the part number on there anymore to tell y'all what part number it is. Well, these headers are Summit branded. Oh, dude, look at this. What the? Man, these are all bent up to.
Wait a minute. Wait. Did we get two good ones, maybe? Hold on. Let's open this one and see if it's that way too.
Right, it came with header bolts. You have to buy header bolts.
Are we gonna need one out of each
Oh,
box?
dude, look how f***ed up these gaskets are.
Okay, look, we got a good one.
How many times did these fall off the UPS truck?
All right,
God.
we got one good one. What is this? This is passenger side? All right, let me get the other box. Thanks, Summit. All right, so here's the deal. We ordered headers already once, and they came in this destroyed box. And so we called Summit and had them send out another pair because that flange at the collector was bent up on the driver's side one. No, that's what's going on this pair. So this is the original pair they sent.
Oh,
Wait.
it's the same side. Driver's side. So this is where the steering shaft goes through right here. So both driver side headers are bent.
And both passenger sides are not?
Or not.
So,
I'm gonna bent that out.
yeah, this all being all wavy like this, obviously no bueno, because the collector is supposed to sandwich flat up against that surface, and that being all wavy
That's no bueno.
is not ideal.
Not at all.
And then on the second set they sent me is also bent down. Honestly, I think maybe this first one they sent is better because that's all it is that little bitty spot right there.
I can fix that. It's just gonna take some vice grips and a hammer. You take a pair of vice grips like this here, and you just take your brass hammer and run it across the area and make it flat.
So if you're wondering why we are in such a confined space, is because there are tornadoes on the way and hail, and so we hail. So we're not trying to push the Maverick out into the weather. We're going to do the unboxing stuff in here.
All right, so I'm not gonna cut this package open because you guys can clearly see what it is. It is a kickdown cable for an AOD. So yeah, it's a cost-effective solution for a problem that is pretty common for doing swaps like this.
So this is, correct me where I'm wrong, you have your shifter cable that tells it what gear you want.
Yeah, the detent cable.
But this tells you what position your throttle is in.
Yes.
And it spins some piece of the transmission near the...
Yeah, and it tells the transmission how many, or where your throttle is versus RPM.
To downshift.
To downshift, yes.
Stuff like that.
And then we've got some fancy cross member bolts here. And if you guys look really close, you'll see that they have like a conical shape to them. I guess that helps center up this belly bar. Yeah, that's probably one of those.
Yeah, right up in there.
Yeah. And it'll just kind of center everything up. Oh, what do we got here? What did you say you got this from? Leadfoot Racing.
Leadfoot Racing.
They're in California somewhere. Orange, California.
I understand that they're stamping them themselves. That's what they said.
Oh, look, they left the protective coating on the brushed stainless.
Nice.
That's pretty nice. Yeah, these were water jetted and bent. Water jetted and put in a press brake. That's cool.
Dude, I totally lost my beer somehow.
You brought it out here.
That's what I thought. So is that stainless though or aluminum? I thought it was aluminum.
No, it's aluminum. Now, I guess we'll open up this here fancy radiator and see if it fits. Alright, so what we have here is a Champion all aluminum AE339 2-row 1-inch tube core Pro Series. It says Champion September 4th, 18. Made in China, Factory 2. Maybe that was the second factory ever in China. I don't know. Seems to be packed quite well.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, look at that. That's party. Oh, it's even got the trans cooler on it. Oh, they even give you a cap. Cool. Yeah, it's a real cap. I wanted to look down and see what the cores look like. Look how wide those cores are.
Oh, yeah, no doubt.
That's Magnum. Let's put that shroud on there and see how she fits. Boom. Like a glove. We'll have to drill some holes in it too.
I didn't realize that this. I didn't realize that the radiator itself was going to come with that particular piece.
Well, I think that's part of the factory, being factory.
Where the plastic one would have bolted on or something. Yeah, I mean that's awesome. That's going to make that super easy, man. That is tight on there too.
Yeah, awesome.
Well, the radiator and the shroud is obviously the showpiece of the unboxing.
Yeah, definitely.
So
oh, I can't wait to peel this film off. It's like I'm just like, I want to take a peeky poo. 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 Peeky poo. I want to take a peeky poo. I want to take a peeky poo. I want to take a peeky poo. Peeky poo. I want to take a peeky poo. I want to take a peeky poo. I want to take a peeky poo. Peeky poo. But I'm not gonna do it until we're done fabbing. I want to take a peeky poo. Peeky poo. I actually kind of want to dry fit this radiator in this video.
yeah, we can do that.
Yeah, that'll be alright.
Yeah.
Not quite. Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Well, we're gonna have to punch a couple of holes in the flange on the radiator down low, and then pick up on these. Yeah, it's gonna have to go just like that, which is fine. Yeah. She gonna work.
You never know what's going to happen next.
You never know. You never know what's gonna happen next.
You never know what's going to happen next. Watch out now.
Watch out now.
Yeah. That's all the new parts I got. That's all I got.
That's a wrap.